Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sudar and I'm super excited to share with you an inspiring story about one of India's most beloved poets and freedom fighters. Today, I'm honored to tell you about the incredible life of Sarojini Naidu, also known as the Nightingale of India. The Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu was born on February 13, 1879 in Hyderabad, India. She was a bright and curious child with a love for words and poetry. As she grew older, Sarojini Naidu's passion for poetry only deepened. She began writing her own poems inspired by the beauty of nature and the struggles of her people. Sarojini Naidu's poetry was like music to the ears of those who heard it. Her words were full of hope and inspiration, and they touched the hearts of people all over India. That's why Sarojini Naidu was called the Nightingale of India. Her poetry was like a song that brought joy and comfort to all who heard it. But Sarojini was more than just a poet. She was also a brave and determined woman who fought for the rights of women and the freedoms of India. She was a close friend of Mahatma Gandhi and worked closely with him in the Indian independence movement. Sarojini's legacy lives on through her poetry and her bravery. She will always be remembered as one of India's greatest poets and freedom fighters. Subscribe for more stories. If you liked this story, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more heartwarming tales and inspiring stories. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new content. Bye from Sudar. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next story. Signing up Sudar.